Hey there, this is a video covering our Slack extern community, how you're able to join, which channels you should be a part of, and how to search for your specific externships Slack channel. So the Slack community is really important to your overall experience during the externship as it allows you to connect with your peers, receive updates on your program, ask questions, and share your resources so everybody in your externship as well as the extern community have a good understanding and better suited for your peers. So when you are onboarded, you will receive an email from us that will have that invitation link to join the Slack program. If you run any issues with how to set up a Slack profile, let us know. Touch base with us. We'll send you a manual invite link, but it's pretty straightforward. You sign up with your email and you'll be good to go. You can either use the browser Slack page or you can even download the web app so you can have that. Either way is totally fine. It's totally up to you. So once you do join the Slack community, there are a few default pages that you'll find here. The first one is, welcome to Extern, and want to make sure that you're posting a little bit about yourself, so you can say a little bit about you, where you're from, which school you attend, why you're an externship. It's a really great way to kick things off and connect with your peers. We really encourage you to participate as much as you can in different areas. So please search around for these different channels that we have provided. We also have events for some of our programs. We offer a lot of webinars. There are some team building channels. There is a help desk channel. So if you run into any snafus, please post on this channel. Please make it as general as possible. If it is anything that pertains to projects for your specific externship, we really encourage you to post that on your externship channel, which I'll go over in a few moments. So now that you're on the Extern Community Slack workspace, we want to make sure that you're also being added to your externships channel. So this is a manual process and it's pretty straightforward. So whichever program that you find yourself enrolled into, all you have to do is go to the search bar at the top of the workspace, type in the # and then find your specific channel that you are in. So I'm in the Snap AR Lens Creator Externship. So I just type in Snap, and as you can see right here, it'll pop up. One thing we want to make sure that you're keeping in mind here is some programs have dates, some don't. For example, our Beats programs, there are a lot of different cohorts, so their start date is also listed there. So if you're in a Beats program, first off, make sure that you are adding yourself to your correct externship. As you can see, we have qualitative and quantitative insights. There's purchase decision, there's consumer behavior. So if you're working for a certain company, make sure that you are putting in the correct externship. So that's one example, but type in if you're HP Ventures, if you're in TrueBridge, just to name a few, just put in that #, type in your company name, and it should populate right from the top. And all you have to do is select it, and you'll be added to that channel. And from there, that's how you can get access to your meetings, see some other questions that are being posted by your peers and by your program managers and your TAs. So that's really an important step to make sure that you're optimizing the Slack experience. So in these videos, we have gone over how to access the workspace in general, the different public pages that we have available for you as a resource, and then how to join your specific cohort's Slack channel.